Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator door handle. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new refrigerator door handle. The refrigerator door handle is what you use to open the refrigerator door. The manager should be changing it out if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the left refrigerator door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the set screw that holds the handle on. There's only one on this handle. It's located at the top. We're going to use a 3/32 Allen wrench to loosen it up. You don't have to take it all the way out. Just loosen it enough so the handle comes off the stud. You can pull it off the upper one and then lift it off the lower one. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old refrigerator door handle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We do have to take the sticker off before we put it on. All you have to do is pull it off. Once you have it off, we can put the handle on the refrigerator. To put the new refrigerator door handle on, all you have to do is line it up on the lower stud and push it down into place. Then we can push the handle onto the upper stud. Once you have it in place, we can use the 3/32 Allen wrench to tighten down the set screw. Once you have the set screw tightened down, close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.